Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Bauxite truck drivers file extortion complaint against Dayanand Sopte. Sopte refutes all allegations. In his first ever exclusive interview after marriage, Brahmeshanand Swami supports his marriage, says he has not deviated from the tradition of his Sampradaya. Mystery pigeon hits a trawler at Kutbana jetty. Pigeon coded with numbers and colors found off Goa coast. Beto makes his mind to leave Dempo Sports Club. East Bengal and Bahraini club are the options for the Brazilian midfielder. And Petroni not to be considered for the job of Indian boxing coach, says Lenny Di Gama. Now the news in detail. The Perne police have registered a complaint against Perne MLA Dayanand Sopte on Wednesday for demanding extortion money from the truck drivers transporting bauxite from Jitendra Deshprabhu's mine. This complaint was lodged by the bauxite truck owner and TV Punch Sandeep Kautankar. However, Dayanand Sopte has refused all the allegations.
It may be recalled that on 7th May 2009, Dayanand Sopte along with Pedne citizens had stopped the trucks transporting bauxite allegedly from illegal mine. This mine belongs to former Pedne MLA Jitendra Deshprabhu. 1 week after the incident, an extortion complaint is lodged against Sopte.
कर्णावयन जे ट्रक अडकले 7 तारखेक 7 तारखेक ट्रक जे अडकले इतल्याकच अडकले की गेले 6 महिने जी बॉक्साईट खाण चालू आसा आमी कितलीशी निवेदनांनी कंप्लेनी दिल्यो असेंब्लीन प्रश्न उपस्थित केले ज्याची उत्तरां तांच्यांनी मान्य केली की बेकायदेशीर म्हणून लेखी उत्तरांत म्हजेशी ताच्या उपरांतय ताचेर कारवाई कितेंच जायना.
The truck owners alleged that Dayanand Sopte along with his supporters stopped 8 trucks on National Highway 17 and threatened them to burn their trucks if they failed to pay extortion money.
आमच्या गाड्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट चालतात आणि ते गाडीसून कॉन्ट्रॅक्टसून गाडी आम्ही गाडी घेऊन येत हो मदीं येयलो गाडी घेऊन गांवच्या लोकांक घेऊन आणि गाडी आमचे ब्लॉक केल्यो आणि ह्या रस्त्यान परतून येवशात जाल्यार तुमचे ड्रायव्हर सगळे गाडये जळयतले म्हणून आमचे गाडयो बँकेचेर आहात आणि आमकां भंय दिसलो म्हणून हांवें कंप्लेंट केली. फाल्यां रस्त्यार येवन कोणी गुन्हे मारले चोरी लिपन रावन जाल्यार जबाबदार कोण?
Acting on the complaint of Sandeep Kautankar, Pedne police registered the complaint against Dayanand Sopte. Speaking to Prudent Media, Pedne MLA Dayanand Sopte rubbished the allegations.
हे प्रूव करच्या खातीर आमी ते 8 ट्रक अडकले आनी म्हाका एक प्रश्न पडटा बेकायदेशीर गोष्टी खातीर जर आमी ट्रक अडकले एका ते सुद्दां कायदेशीर पद्दतीन म्हणजे इन प्रॉपर वे कंप्लेन रिटन कंप्लेन दिली पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर पुलीस आयले डायरेक्टर ऑफ मायन्स ताका फोन केलो हू इज होल्डिंग चार्ज ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट तांणी इमिजिएटली असिस्टंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट बाय नेम प्रल्हाद देसाय हाका सायडीर धाडलो. पोलिसीन तांच्यांनी पंचनामो केलो पंचनामाची कॉपी आसा म्हाजेशी आनी हे सगळ्यो बेकायदेशीर गोष्टी कायदेशीर रिते जर आमी ते ट्रक अडकले हेका जर आमी खंडणी वसूल अशें कर म्हणटात जाल्यार हे गोष्टी बेकायदेशीर ठरतात ताका कितें म्हणप?
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
In a first ever interview after marriage, Brahmeshanand Swami has strongly stood by his marriage. He has clearly stated that he has not deviated from the tradition of his Sampradaya. He has replied to his critics, saying that people even criticize Naineshwar and Tukaram. A Prudent Media exclusive.
कोणावर टीका झाली नाही, ज्ञानोबावर झाली नाही, तुकोबारायांवर झाली नाही. जे ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज म्हणतात त्यांच्यावर टीका झाली नाही का? त्यांच्या आईवडिलांना देहांत प्रायश्चित्त दिलं नाही काय? हा समाज सगळं बोलणार आहे, समाजाला सगळं बोलण्याचा अधिकार आहे. पण ज्याला आपल्या कर्तव्याला जागायचं आहे, ज्याला समाजाला घेऊन पुढे जायचं आहे, अशा लोकांनी आपल्या वानोत निंदोत सुनीती मंत चलो असो वा कमलागृहात हो मृत्यू आजीच घडो युगांते सन्मार्ग सोडून भले न जाते. आपण आपला सुपंथ जो आहे चांगल्या माणसाने सज्जन माणसाने सोडून चालणार नाही. सगळ्यांवर टीका होणार आहे. टीका ही व्हावीच, पण दुर्जनांचे घर असावे शेजारी जसं संतांनी सांगितलं तसं आम्ही आमचं कार्य सोडणार नाही आहोत. आमची परंपरा, आमचा संप्रदाय आणि सत्यश्रेष्ठ ईश्वरी ज्ञानाचं सद्गुरूंचं कार्य हे सर्व पद्मनाभ संप्रदायाचं चालू राहणार आहे अशी टीका सगळी करतील. पण आपल्या या संप्रदायामध्ये टीकेला उत्तर देणं यापेक्षा आपल्या कार्यातून सगळ्यांना आपला अनुभव दाखवणं हेच प्रमाण आहे.
Supporting his marriage, Swamiji asserted that the ceremony was carried out according to the tradition of Sampradaya.
आमच्या संप्रदायाच्या कुठल्याच परंपरेतल्या व्यक्तीने संन्यास वृत्तीने राहिलेले संन्यास धारण केलेला नाही आहे. सद्गुरू ब्रह्मानंदांची जी आज्ञा आहे ती पाळणं ब्रह्मेशानंदांचं कर्तव्य आहे आणि ते कर्तव्य आम्ही पाळत आलेले आहोत. कोणी निंदा कोणी वंदा आम्हा स्वहिताचा धंदा. आम्ही तेच आमचं कार्य चालू ठेवणार आहोत.
Brahmeshananda Swami will complete all the legal formalities related to his marriage within next week.
भारताची जी न्याय्य संस्था आहे, भारताची जी न्याय्य व्यवस्था आहे त्याच्याशी सगळे बांधील आहोत. त्यामुळे आम्हीही त्या व्यवस्थेला बाध्य आहोत हे निश्चित आहे. रजिस्ट्रेशन करायला पाहिजे. म्हणजे शक्य आज नाही आहे पण उद्या परवा होईल. परवा रविवार शनिवार आहे त्यामुळे शक्यतो लवकर होईल.
Our reporter from Shirsai, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Yashwant Parab.
A suspicious pigeon has become a matter of investigation for the intelligence agencies in the country. A pigeon had hit a trawler at Kutwana jetty when it was deep in the sea. It had ribbons of different colors tied to it. There were plastic rings of green and black color in its legs with some numbers and text written on it. This bird has acquired importance on the backdrop of a warning by intelligence agencies that terror outfits can use pigeons to get their message across the border.
This pigeon was found on a trawler in the middle of the sea on Tuesday when the tired pigeon had landed its flight on this trawler for a respite. Look at this pigeon. Like any other normal pigeon, this pigeon is very beautiful and innocent. Now look at this. These are the 3 rings the pigeon is wearing. Green, plastic ring in the middle and again green ring with some numbers written on it. Wait, that's not all. There is more. Now look at this. The wings of the pigeon are stamped in some foreign language. All these things make it very suspicious because intelligence agencies had warned few days back that terror outfits might use pigeons to get their message across the border. Prudent media tried to crack the code in our own way, brought in as a message by the pigeon. The wings were painted as TPE 2009 703272 703272 800244. If we analyze forthcoming result declaration day of Lok Sabha election held recently, then we derive something like this.
Check this out.
Let's consider TPE 2009. Here T is the 20th alphabet, P is the 16th alphabet, whereas E is the 5th alphabet, which means 2016-5. Just 2 days later, counting day, and 20. Is it 20 hours? Well, that's a puzzle. Now look at this. Just reverse this number, 4/4/2008. Why the date is here? Is this the date when this whole plan started? Well, we don't know. 703272. 703272 is yet another code which is yet to be worked out. Definitely they are not numbers from Goa. We still try